Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do my get ready with me. So I just finished taking shower, so I'm going to brush my teeth because you request it, guys. No, someone requested that I should do vlog showing that I brush my teeth. Okay. So, I'm going to put some, wait. Just wait. I'm going to get some water pala muna. So, here is the water. Let's, like that. And put some toothpaste here. And then, I'm going to brush my teeth. Okay. Okay. Put the water and so I'm done. I'm done brushing my teeth. So after that, let's go here. Okay, there. After that, I'm going to start doing my makeup. Okay, so let's start brushing our hair like that. Let's go brush our hair. So I'm going to just like that. Brush the brush the hair. Ouch. Like that. And to brush my hair like that. Wait, okay? So after I finish brushing my hair, okay, to this video I'm going to use only four products to use as my makeups. So I'm using lip tint, my old lip tint and my old Nichido eyebrow, and some old lipstick from Hold Live Pro. Oh, it's so old. So let's start with the eyebrow. I'm going to start the eyebrow. I forget. I'm also using this old mascara here for my lashes. So I'm going to start with my eyebrow here. Let's just brush our eyebrow like that. Water daw, ma'am daw. But I think I need to do some repair on my eyebrow. Okay guys, but before we do our eyebrow, I'm going to clean it using this like that. Okay. So I'm going to clean it before I'm going to get my headphones. Ano ko sa'yo? Nakala ko nag-headphone.
Teka, ako na hawak, please. Dali na hawak, please. Dali na hawak, please.
So I'm just going to like that. Okay.
O, tignan mo, ayos natin, o. O, tignan mo, o. O, pera na, o, pera.
Okay. And let's do it in the other side. So I'm done doing my eyebrows. So let's add some lip tint. Just like that. And let's put it on our cheeks also. See that? Just like that. So I put a lot the other side, so I'm going to put some more in here. See? And then after that, I'm going to put So after that, I'm going to put some gold lipstick on my eyelid. On my eyelid, guys. Wait. Here. Put it there. And blend it like that. So, hindi po kasi naman ako. So, I'm not high maintenance na babae. Kung ano lang meron ako, yun lang ginagamit ko. Gaya niyan, guys. So, I'm not my high maintenance woman. I am resourceful. Look at that. So, di ba? It's just like natural. It will look like natural on your eyes. See? It's not so makapal. Just to put it there. And I'm going to put some baby powder to set my makeup. Just like that. Tap it like that on your face. Also on your eye shadow to set it. Just like that. See that? I'm almost done here. Oh. See? I'm almost done. So, the last thing I need to do is I'm just going to add a little bit of lipstick on my nose to use it as nose contour. See, it working, right? You just need to be your resourceful, guys. Oh, see that? Oh. And this is the last that I'm going to use. Just to put it here.
What? Anak ng mami ganda. Anak na yung baby niya. Anak ng mami ganda. Anak sa baby niya.